Hello everyone, my name is Jackson Abnis. I am again with a video for your tips and strategies for PTE. I welcome you all for my videos for strategies that enable you to gain your confidence and enhance your skills. Let's begin our video for today. In order for you to understand the strategies in detail, please watch the video till the end. In my today's video, I am going to talk about PTE speaking module. We have already seen a series of video on our PTE modules. I have also covered for the speaking module, read aloud, describe image and repeat sentence. If you have not visited it, please visit my videos and understand the tips and strategies to be used in those question items. Today in my video, I am going to talk on retail lecture. For the retail lecture, as the term suggests you will listen to an audio clip. The duration for this clip can be anywhere between 1 to 1.5 or even 2 minutes time. You can expect around 3 to 4 such audio clips. That means there are 3 to 4 such questions. You will be provided 10 seconds time after the audio is over to organize your thoughts based on whatever you have heard or you have made a note. And after that, you need to record your voice. That means summarize the information that you have understood and organized in 40 seconds time. Once again, there are 3 scoring parameters for this. The 2 main, the same, which is fluency and pronunciation. 5 points each, that means 10 points. 5 points for the content. But unlike the describe image, this time there is no additional 1 point kept secured for your concluding statement, which means the conclusion is not that important because you are already summarizing the information. There is 5 points allocated for every answer that you are going to record, which includes the way your content is presented, the quality of your content, the information that you have registered, made a note, and then you are recording it. The way you are presenting your audio, the content, is it following in a sequential manner or not? So all these things are going to be vital. In the retail lecture, you will listen to a tutor who is going to present a small topic. Now, as this is an academic topic, be rest assured it is going to be a well-defined or a well-coherent lecture. That means the speaker is always going to begin with an introduction. You will always hear the topic of the lecture in the first couple of sentences. Remember, while the audio is being played, it is highly suggested for each and every participant to immediately grasp their pencils and start making notes. You are not provided any additional time after the audio other than just 10 seconds by which you can just quickly organize your initial phrases. So please start making notes on each and every aspect that you hear in the audio. As the speaker continues with the discussion, he or she will explain the supporting ideas. He or she will use some illustrations or examples to justify the thoughts and the important points. And finally, the evaluator will state the last reason. So please ensure that you also follow the similar structure. Do not mimic out over here because you do not have to say exactly what the speaker has told you. Also, the speaker will be elaborating other information or explaining information that is not needed. Remember, you have only 40 seconds time to record your answers. In this 40 seconds, you have to have an introduction, a body, and possibly if you want to summarize the information in the end or a one-liner conclusion if you want. If not, introduction and body plays an important role in this particular topic. In your introduction, you can begin with the default phrases as in the lecturer provided, the lecturer depict, the lecture illustrates. You can use the simple tense, simple present tense, or you can use the past tense because the audio is already over. You can start off with these information sentences that will give you a confidence without fumbling or hesitating in the beginning. I'm sure once you start off, you know what you are going to speak as you refer to your notes. Introduce the topic in the first para itself. Once you finish your introduction, which can be for at least 10 to 12 seconds, you can jump on to your body paragraph. In your body paragraph, you can talk about all the supporting ideas that the speaker has used while explaining the thoughts. You do not have to give any examples, neither state any particular names of any academic writers or journals. You can just have a generic thought. Try to use the cohesive devices. Begin with by saying to start off, to begin with, to commence, the speaker narrated or explained, followed by, in addition to this, furthermore. Or you can use the other cohesive devices. Firstly, the speaker shared information. Secondly, he added on. In addition to this, furthermore. This way, you will know that you have spoken 3 points or 4 points that are relevant to the topic. And once you reach, you can just say, finally, the speaker explained the information on the relevance of the topic along with suitable examples for a better understanding. You can use these kind of sentences to conclude your topic. Or in case if you want to use to conclude, to summarize, to sum up, you're welcome to do that. So once again, remember your note making is essential for this exam as well as this question type. Try to prepare a rough mind map or a brainstorm on which you have mentioned the points in arrowheads. Use this strategy to ensure that you know what you have started off. Practice with some templates that I have shared with you for the other questions also and for this question. As in, you begin with the lecturer described, depicted, illustrated, provided, spoke. You can start off with these initial words and join what the title statement is, the topic sentence is all about. After which you can share the inputs provided by the speaker in the form of points. What are the things that are inclined to the topic? While the audio is on, the speaker is going to use the detailed explanations which is not needed, because in this 40 seconds time, neither the examiners are expecting you to say each and everything. Remember, the content for which you will be getting your highest points must be a good quality content. That means there must be the title of the topic clearly specified by you, followed by supporting ideas. In addition to that, you can have a little one-liner explanation on a generic way, and if possible, you want to end it up. So these are the 3 essential elements that you have to remember. Listen. While listening, make notes. You will be provided 10 seconds time after the audio is over. Look on your screen, the progress bar will inform you. Once the 10 seconds are over, you will see your recorder begins with a small audio beep. So keep an eye on it. Your 40 seconds on the top right corner will inform you about the timing as the progress bar moves from left to right. This way you can increase or decrease your rate of speed. Remember, for fluency and pronunciation, the parameters remains the same. Avoid any kind of hesitation in the beginning. Start off slowly and nicely. Speak clearly and with a high pitch. Stress on keywords or pointers that you feel are important. Show a rhythm. You always begin with a high pitch, and as you come down towards the end of the sentence, you lower down your voice. Once again, when you start off your new sentence, you begin with a high pitch. This way, you can gain your good points in your pronunciation and, of course, with the word stress that you are using. For the content, remember only 3 things that you have to keep in mind. The introduction part, which contains the title, the topic of the particular lecture, followed by the supporting or the explanations which are relevant and important rather than any examples. These are few things that you have to keep in mind. So now that you have known about this retail lecture, please practice elaborately. The more you practice, the better you will perform during your examination. So prepare accordingly. I will see you in my next video wherein I share with you another strategy for another module. Till then, happy practicing. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.